Hello again for the 41 Action Weather Center. Meteorologist J.D. Rudd here with you during a network commercial break. You're not going to miss the football game. Want to give you some updates. First off, here's the radar behind me. A couple of things to note. We've got new reports coming in of power lines being snapped by fallen trees in several areas, including downtown Kansas City. This is the Doppler part of the radar. This is what we look for here just to kind of show you rotation. And let me just give you an idea. See these greens and these reds? It's right in this area here. That's where we have the broad rotation going on right now. So any kind of tornado threat would be there. It's almost the opposite of what's going on. Actually, we're seeing more of a linear structure taking shape, which is good. These were more isolated earlier, which more cellular, but now they're becoming more linear, meaning they're forming into a line, which is what we want to see, because the more we get this into a line, it's going to decrease the threat for tornadoes. It looks like, and Kaylee, can you confirm, the warning that was in place for Nottoway and Gentry counties until 6:15, they've canceled, it looks like?
Yes, they have canceled that.
So there's still the one warning then in place until 6:45.
Just one warning at this point.
And that's the one here northwest of Bethany. That's going to rearrange your patio furniture, likely knock down some power lines and cause some issues with trees and whatnot. So again, kind of a heads up to you. Some other reports of around 6 to 8 inches of water in the Westport area and reports of power lines down in metro Kansas City. Thousands are now without power in Kansas City because of these showers and thunderstorms. And put the wind part of the Doppler radar back on here. And yeah, like we showed you a second ago, if there is anywhere here, okay, sirens are going off in some areas of Nottoway County. If you look here, the greens and the reds, it's a broad rotation in through here. So that's the concern. That's why the National Weather Service has issued the tornado warning for this storm. And again, it is north of 136, southeast of Westboro, the most likely area, going to cross the county line into the extreme northwestern portion of Nottoway County here, kind of in the Elmo area over the next little while. I was looking here on the back edge trying to find some hail cores with the hail core tracker. Some of these cloud tops around 60,000 feet. When you have that much power going into the storm too, from the image I just showed you, what you're doing here is you're launching any kind of hailstones up through here into those cold cloud tops. They're rotating around. You're kind of building a hail core. Hello again for the 41 Action Weather Center. Meteorologist J.D. Rudd here with you. We want to try to balance the football coverage and the severe thunderstorm coverage tonight. So I know some of you may want to see the halftime show. We will get you back into the football game once it gets going again. I got the programming over there on the left side of your screen. I want to show you the radar picture right now with this big conglomeration of showers and thunderstorms working its way in. A lot of thunder and lightning being heard here at our studios on the plaza. This is going to get the attention of many out there as this storm system rolls its way in.